In this video tutorial, I want to show you how easy it is to download and run the MODVO app. So the first thing you want to do is open up your browser. So today we are using the Opera browser. So what you want to do is launch your browser. So you double click. Okay. Once you have launched your browser, now just enter modvo.com. You go visit our website, type in modvo.com. And click enter. Okay, once you are at our site, then you want to click software. Then scroll down until you get to the list of applications. As you see right here, the MODVO app. So this is what you click on, MODVO app. Then once you are on the MODVO app page, you scroll down until you see PC minimum requirements. And there is where you're going to download the MODVO app. As you can see, right now we are running version 2.3, and to download it, all you have to do is agree. You check and agree that you have read the end user license agreement and the privacy policy. So you just check that, then you click download. And this is a small application, and it downloads very quick. As you can see, just click save, and it's less than 13 megabytes. And it downloads within less than 10 seconds. And there it is. So once you have downloaded our software application, all you have to do is open up the folder. Usually the file is downloaded in your download folder. So you open up your download folder, and then you click and drag it to your desktop. Here we go. So you just double click on download folder, and depending on what browser you're using, the download notification will be posted either on the bottom left or at the upper right hand corner, as you have seen. And now you just minimize the browser until you get to the desktop. Then all you have to do is just drag. You click and you just drag the application to your desktop screen. And that's it. You have just downloaded and added the MODVO app to your computer. It's that easy. So if you want to launch this software application, all you have to do is double click on it. Remember, our software is created as executable files, which means they're basically auto-run programs. So all you have to do to run this application is just double click on it, and it will run automatically. You don't have to worry about it installing on your computer. So the next thing you want to do is just double click to run this application. And then it will ask you, Windows protect your computer. So this will pop up on your screen if this is your first time running this software application. So if you know who this software is from, which is from us, it's safe to download. So all you have to do is just click run anyway. And this is just something that will happen just one time if it's your first time downloading this software application, or if you download a new version. But once you have downloaded the software application, this menu will not pop up anymore. So you just click run anyway, because you know where it's from. It's from MODVO, it's from us, and it's from our site. So you click run anyway. And in just a few seconds, the app will launch and run itself. Okay, here we go. And again, if this is your first time installing, if this is your first time running this software application, you will get this notification on the screen which says In order for this app to run, your PC needs to install the following feature, which is DirectPlay. And we have this link, DirectPlay, directly on our software site where you just downloaded the program. So it will explain what it is. So basically, Direct Link is a communicating software which is used to develop games and gaming systems. So it's safe to install and use, and we are going to install it this time. You don't have to install it, but we recommend that you do so the application will function correctly. So we click on install, and there we go. And DirectPlay is a very small application and installs on your computer within a few seconds. And it's harmless to your computer. Again, this is used for communication with games and software development. And there you go. And this is just a one-time installation. So you only have to do this one time. Once you install DirectPlay on your computer, that is it. This allows your our software to communicate with your computer. Again, if you want more information about DirectPlay, we have a link on our website to explain more about it. But it's really a small program that is used for gaming systems. And now, there we go. As you can see, the mobile app is launching. And there's the introduction screen. And if you want to, you can skip it. And there we go. Now you are using the mobile app software application. This is the home screen. So that's about it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments about our software applications or our loudspeakers, just visit us at modvo.com. That's modvo.com. Thank you very much. Goodbye.